What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I was going through my phone. I realized like I made a whole video but I never finished it. So yeah, this is basically the outro intro to this video. So I turned this aloe vera plant into ice cubes that you could use for like sunburns or just eczema or just any wounds that you might have. Like if you get like burnt from cooking, you could definitely use it on there. I'm gonna just tell you guys like the healing properties of aloe vera because it does have a lot of like vitamins and minerals. Like let's see, and antibacterial properties as well. Antiseptic properties. Like I said, it helps with the, with wounds, helps the healing process, it helps with like the skin regeneration of like dead skin cells once they're like removed and stuff. So like you could use it as an exfoliator and as a moisturizer at the same time. But that's like the gel. I guess you could use the ice cubes as that too. Apparently if you like use the gel as like a mouth rinse, it helps with like your plaque and stuff. And it also helps with like canker sores or like mouth sores that you get, it reduces constipation. Now if it is, they say you're supposed to use like the yellow sap that's like at the bottom of the aloe vera tree, the plants, and that's actually poisonous. So I really don't know what they mean by that, because I could have sworn like the yellow sap is poisonous, and that's why whenever you get an aloe vera plant, you have to like make sure it's not laying down, but like having it elevated so all of the sap can be drained to the bottom of it. That's why you don't use the bottom portion of it, because that's where all the toxins are. So I really don't know what they're talking about, but apparently it helps reduce constipation. But yeah, so the gel can help reduce fine lines and wrinkles. It helps with like acne, paralysis, eczema. It doesn't help with like cystic acne though, or like deeper, just like deep acne. It doesn't really help with that, but it does help moisturize your skin and exfoliate it. If you decide to just use the gel as it is and not freeze it, it doesn't last as long. And you should definitely keep it refrigerated because there's no preservatives in it. It's a natural gel. I think when the refrigerator, it lasts up to like maybe a week, maybe less than that. But the ice cubes, they last longer because it's frozen. So whenever you're using this, make sure you do like a skin patch test first, because you can be allergic to it like anything else in the world. You can be allergic to it, so like make sure your skin isn't breaking out. You could also use it in your hair for like dandruff or just a moisturizer. I used to use aloe vera gel to retwist my dreads when I used to have them, and it's actually a lot better than using like beeswax and stuff, because it's just nasty, bro. That stuff is nasty. Like I said, you can definitely eat aloe vera gel, but like take a shot of it, because large consumptions is deadly with anything in life. One plant makes 6 cubes, and yeah, so you could just use this after you finish cleansing your face. You can use this to moisturize your skin and close up your pores. My skin looks terrible right now, so yeah, I need to start using it. But like you could literally just use it as a moisturizer and stuff, But yeah, I really like this stuff. Don't forget your neck, y'all. But yeah, I like it. You could leave this overnight, or you can just rinse it off when you're done. But either way, it's getting rinsed off because you have to wash your face like twice a day or 3 times, depending on how active your lifestyle is. Very refreshing, very moisturizing. I really don't have any complaints when it comes to aloe vera. It's like probably one of my favorite plants ever because it has like so many different like healing properties. It's just amazing. Just cut off. That hurts. Ooh, I'm making some soup because it's getting cold-ish, but not really, which I can tell. But let's see if these lima beans are like soft. really all I care about. But y'all got some carrots, some celery, onions, garlic, rosemary, bay leaf. I might put some basil in here later. Well, I might put some collard greens in here. These are hard. These are hard as hell. Yeah. Hard as fuck. The extra 30 minutes. So yeah, I think I'm gonna actually chop up some collards and put them in here. Man, it tastes good. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, how I make this from this. Like I said, the longevity is a lot longer. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Like I said before, probably like 3 times already now. But yes, peace. Okay, you guys, don't judge the way the aloe plant looks. It was sitting on my countertop for a good like 3 weeks. So the first step you want to do, you want to cut off the head and the tail of the aloe plant, because those are parts you're not really going to use. So this next step, I suggest you guys to cut away from your body, not towards it, but you know, I'm no pro. But you don't want to cut yourself by doing this. And you just want to basically like cut off as close as you can to the skin. And if you have like extra gel that you see, you know, you can cut it off. And blah, blah, blah. I just cut off the thick part. I don't even know how to describe this, you guys. It's so slimy. But I just cut it in like cubes. So whenever you guys are cutting the aloe vera plant, make sure you're not cutting so close to the skin that you literally cut a piece of the skin off along with the gel. But if you do so happen to do that like I did, you know, just cut off the little sliver. You know, be careful though. So at this point, you know, I just basically blended it for maybe 30 seconds or a little bit more. As you can see, got caught up. You know, it's not the best blender in the world, but it is a blender. And basically whenever it's blend, I think it's called like cheesecloth or something weird like that. I just used some pantyhose really and called it a day. It has the same effect. So at this point, you guys see that I'm straining it because, you know, you don't want the pulp in the gel. Defeats the whole purpose, really, of doing this. Because if you plan on putting in this hair, oh my gosh, can I talk? If you plan on putting this in your hair and you don't strain it, you will just have pulp in your hair and it will look like dandruff. And it's not a cute sight to see, trust me. I know from experience. Just strain it, y'all. So the last and final step is to just let it freeze until basically it solidifies and you're good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Peace.